Welcome back to Origami Videos. Let's make this double-hearted bookmark together. All you're gonna need for it is a half of a square paper, so my original was 15 by 15 centimeters and half of it is 15 by 7.5 centimeters. And we'll start by folding the paper in half on this center line. Like this. Step, we'll open our paper and we'll bring the corners of the paper inward, so we will align this top line with this center line. So on one side, and the same with this left side. And now also on this side, so bring these two edges inwards. Like this. And next step, we'll bring these outside lines to the center line, so we'll fold this part of the paper in half. And on the other side. Just bring it in to the center line. And once you have it, press it down. Now we'll open our last two steps and we'll fold this corner of the paper inwards. For that, we'll lift this part up, bring this side of the paper inwards, and we will fold this diagonal line that we have it, we'll fold it upwards. So place your finger here, lift it upwards on a diagonal line, and just close this pocket, like this. Again, on the other side, lift this part of the paper, tuck it in on the line, and we'll fold it on this line in the opposite direction, so outwards. And once you have it, just close it in, like this, and the same on the other side. Like this. Now we'll fold our paper in half, so we'll bring this edge of the paper to this edge. Align them, and once you have them, press them down. So our paper is looking like this. Now we'll open the last step and we'll fold those two sides upwards with this middle line, so align this bottom right line with this center line. And press it down. And now do the same with this bottom left line, align it with the center line. And next step, we'll fold this line that we have here on the outside in half, so we'll bring this corner of the paper and fold it to this corner right here. So just corner to corner, and press it down, and the same with the other side. So this line here in half, corner to corner, and you will see that this bottom line is also aligned. Like this. Now if we turn it around, we see these pockets right here, and we will open these pockets so that this shorter line of the paper is aligned with the bottom line of the paper, like this. I will lift it up and show you again. So align the short line with the paper and press it down. And now we'll also fold these edges of the paper downwards to the center line. So lift it up, align it with the center line and press it down, and the same with the other side. Like this. And now we'll also fold these top edges of it a little bit downwards so that our heart will be a little more rounded, not so pointy. And the same on the other side. Like this. And now if I turn it around, we've made the first heart, and now we'll do the same with the other side. So we'll open those pockets, align the middle lines, and on the other side, and now just fold those squares downwards on a triangle. On one side and on the other, and now just fold the top edges a little bit downwards. Like this. And now once we turn it around, we've made our origami bookmark with 2 hearts.